Jacqueline mentioned this to me. She sent me a WhatsApp. She's like, Sons, do you know that out of the 5 videos that you, 5 videos which have got the highest views, out of them 3 out of the 5 are your songs? And I was like, what? I didn't even realize that. One of them is Abhi To Party Shuru Hui. It was incredible because I had my girls there. Obviously, I had Anushka there, and if you see that really beautiful girl with the curly hair, that's Karishma. She's done the choreography and the video, and they both worked with me. She's worked with me on Aisha. Karishma did Khoobsurat, and they've started party anthems with me from the very beginning. So I'm excited. You all have heard, by the way. And then there was Abhi To Party. So they've worked with me before. So it was amazing, amazing working with them again and doing this amazing music video. And since we are almost at the brink of Women's Day, I thought it was nice to have some women who are strong, talented, come together and make a, you know, celebrating and starting a party that should be for hot women. Men are invited also, obviously.
Seems like you're coming with a gift to all the women's and all the girls out there.
And men. Hello, excuse me.
No, yeah. So it's a fabulous video, first of all.
Thank you.
So according to you, what's the party starter for you?
What's the party? So, I mean, obviously great music. I think for me, music is so important. And obviously Shandon helps. But it has to be a combination, and also great company, and that's why I'm so excited that Anushka was also a part of it. I admire her. I think she's so wonderfully talented, and what a great voice. I wish she sang more. So yeah, so I'm excited. I'm excited to be a part of this video. I hope it starts trending on social media very soon. And Karishma did the choreography, and thank you so much, Shandon, for giving us this opportunity to create something fun, which we could have creative control over. So I hope I hope you guys loved it.
We have loved it.
Okay,
Adding to the question, on the occasion of Women's Day, what's your message for all the girls and women's out there, and especially when...
And even men.
Yeah, even men. Okay,
men.
yeah.
I think, you know, to be empowered, to believe in yourself, and to be who you want to be. Damn the consequences. You know?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, I can see you're dressed to party. I love it.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, ma'am, how was your experience?
Don't call me ma'am. I'm Sonam for everybody else. And everybody, nobody's allowed to call me ma'am. Sonam. Everybody, even the photographers call me Sonam. How was my experience? It was amazing. It was nice. It's always nice. All the music videos that I've been part of, actually Jacqueline mentioned this to me. She sent me a WhatsApp. She's like, Sons, do you know that out of the 5 videos that you, 5 videos which have got the highest views, out of them 3 out of the 5 are your songs? And I was like, what? I didn't even realize that. One of them is Abhi To Party Shuru Hui Hai. I was like, that just says it all. I was like, every wedding I go to, it's either Prem Ratan Dhan Payo or it's Abhi To Party Shuru Hui Hai, or there's strangely Dheere Dheere. I'm like, I can see there was the bride and groom like dancing to Dheere Dheere. It was really funny. But I think it's interesting to be a part of this. It was really exciting. And like I said, we could be creative with it. We could, I could wear what I wanted to wear, dance, have amazing dance steps in it. And obviously Anushka singing it and producing the music and composing it was amazing. And Karishma did the choreography, and she's an amazing choreographer. She was a little, like, cute little girl with the curly hair who was dancing in the middle. So I think it was a great, great concept. And I really thank Shandon for giving us this platform and for helping us start the party.
Ma'am, I love your outfit.
Oh,
Can you please tell us something
you.
about it?
It's a beautiful, it's like a Russian designer. Megan. Rosario, right? Rosario. It's my girls, my sister and her girls who are very, very talented, Megan and all of them, they find all these like new designers for me or from all over the world, and they send me these images and I wear all of them, and I'm so excited to wear them.
Ma'am, since Women's Day is coming up...
Do not call me ma'am! I'm not
habits
that old!
All habits die hard. So you have just released a trailer of your fellow friend Swara Bhaskar, and
Yes.
her movie some of the scenes from the movie
Yeah.
just got leaked. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I have had the opportunity of watching Anarkali Aravali of Araval of
Ara.
Ara.
Yeah.
but it's actually Aravali or something like that. But Anarkali of Ara is, the title has changed, huh, by the way. Is it changed or is it
It's
Anarkali of Ara?
Yeah.
Okay. I saw the film. I think it was a couple of weeks back, and I have cried and cried and cried. First of all, to see Swara, I don't think she gets her due. She did this film called Neel Batte Sonata this year, last year, which I think was one of the most amazing performances that I've ever seen, and it was a very courageous performance. If you see this film, you'll understand what a true feminist is. Someone who fights for her rights and who is what she, I mean, she's an incredible artist. And I was so moved by her performance. I was so moved by Anarkali's story and her grit and her determination. And I hope more films like this get opportunities and platforms to be made. And I hope the industry is changing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सोनम, आने वाले समय में फ्यूचर में क्या हम आपको एक फुल फ्लेज पार्टी स्टार्टर सॉन्ग को गाते हुए हम सुन
गाते
पाएंगे?
हुए
हाँ।
भाई साहब, अनुष्का क्या करेगी फिर? अगर मैं मैं गा नहीं सकती हूँ, बिल्कुल गा नहीं सकती हूँ। और अगर मैं थोड़ा ट्राई भी कर लेती हूँ तो आप लोग ना बोलेंगे कि यार पहले तो हम बोलते थे कि एक्टिंग नहीं आती, अभी हमको बोलना पड़ेगा कि गाना नहीं आता। तो अभी बहुत मतलब घिस पिट के मेरे को 1-2 अवार्ड मिल गए हैं, वो पता नहीं ये सारा पूरा पानी में मिट जाएगा। नहीं करना मुझे।
But fans really want to sing.
Oh, see
Want
me
you to
sing?
sing.
No,
Want you-
not at all. I sang in this film called Delhi 6. Nobody remembers the fact that I sang in it. Because I was trying to be Indian Idol in that film. The show only stopped after that film. So I'm not singing I'm not going to do that. Not really.
होली का कुछ प्लान है आपका? कुछ
होली के लिए
Yeah, yeah.
मेरी माय सिस्टर, मेरी बहन जो है रिया, उसका बर्थडे है। होली कभी है? 5th of March, हाँ? 13 लास्ट ईयर वाज 5th of March ना? 13th of March? नहीं, I'm not celebrating Holi this year. I don't celebrate Holi that much. I find it very, मतलब मैं जब बचपन में खेलती थी तब थोड़ा सेफ होता था। आजकल मुझे घर से निकलना ही डर लगता है, गाड़ी में जाना, गाड़ी खराब हो जाती है, या मतलब जो हम JVPT स्कीम में रहते हैं वहाँ बच्चे और जो लोग होते हैं बलून्स फेंकते हैं, कलर जो है आपके कलर फेंकते हैं, पक्का कलर फेंकते हैं, अंडे फेंकते हैं, ये सब बहुत थोड़ा इट्स बिकम वेरी अनसेफ ऑनेस्टली till you don't have proper protocol, like a proper safe environment. मेरे को नहीं जाना। मुझे बहुत मजा आता था, रेन डांस होता था ना, किसी को याद है? बॉम्बे में मैं जाती थी and all of that. वो सब अभी बंद हो गया because आजकल and especially for girls it's become a little unsafe now. So I don't go. I wish I used to love playing it, but till the environment is not safe, I refuse to go. Yeah.
Okay, Sonam, you're always tagged as a bold actress. So
Bold actress?
bold actors, bold actors with
But with my opinions or with
your
my
opinions,
Okay.
choices, and your choice of roles. So, what's your take on the restrictions which have been posed on girls or women's, be it on a dressing sense or be it on everything, or be it
I do not
it's
believe in
freedom.
censorship.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think everybody should have their own choice. Whether you want to be in a burqa or whether you want to be in a bikini, I don't think, whether it's your religion, whether it's the way you want to dress, whether it's your preference of sexuality, everybody should be given a choice. Nobody should be told what to do. The more you censor someone, the more you tell them what to do, there will be more rebellion. Everybody should be given a choice, and if they're not given a choice, then what is the point of being an Indian? And that's what India is about, right? We're supposed to be the largest democracy in the world, and thank you.
Kangana recently made a comment on Star Kids and nepotism, how it's there in the industry.
Yeah.
And Alia also gave a response to that. So do you want to say anything, considering that you also have
I don't even know what Kangana said. मैं तो travel कर रही हूँ आजकल. What has she said? She keeps saying things all the time. I don't know what has she said. She's very entertaining. I love Kangana. I look forward to her interviews. Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
I wish I've only done one film with him. Thank you so much.